Alright, so we have talked about logarithms a little bit before, but I felt like we needed to review because it was quick. So I want to remind you what they are. They are another way to write exponents. So this is usually how it's defined in textbooks. They will say something like, if a to the y power equals x, then log base a, that's a little subscript a, of x equals y. So basically we take exponential expressions and rearrange them a little bit to use the logs. And we will learn in this lesson how logarithms and exponents are actually inverses and can undo each other. But first, let's just talk about how to convert between exponential form and log form. So this would be a key thing to have in your notes, since this is basically the main idea of the entire lesson. Make sure everybody has a chance to write it down.
Oh boy.
So instead of using a power, which is superscript, a little and above, we will use a subscript a little bit with logarithms. Little numbers will be down here. All right, so on to our examples. So it says to convert each to logarithmic form. So here's what you do. First you write log for log. Okay? The 2 that's the base over here, becomes the base for your log. So we call this log base 2. The answer, 8, becomes the number that you're taking the log of, and the exponent ends up being the answer. So log base 2 of 8 equals 3. We'll do one more together, and then you guys will do a couple on your own.
10,000.
So 10 to the 4th equals 10,000. So do log, this is base 10, so I'll have base 10 of 10,000 equals 4. So this is the answer. This whole thing is what we're looking for if you can write it in logarithmic form. Okay? Now we're going to do a couple more. So take a moment to try these on your own, and then we'll check it. So try these on your own for a moment. They won't take very long. So just do these, and we'll check in just a second and see how you guys did. All right, so does anyone want to volunteer to help me with the first one? Okay, so log, what do I do next?
5.
Where does the 5 go?